Good afternoon, all of you. So last explanation about colors, theory part completed, then we have to go for example. Before going to example, see the small review. Color is one of the CSS property used for changing the data color, data or text color. And background is another CSS property used for changing the background color of tag. Text background color or as well as the tag background color, whatever it may be. And how to write the color names, how to specify the colors. We have three options for color specifications. One, we can write directly spelling. Our second one, we can use the RGB mixer with the three values. And the third one, for every color, one constants available, predefined constants. We have to write the constants. Color constants, they must start with a hash symbol. Any specific reason, sir? These all color constants are the hexadecimal codes. You can observe na 0 to F. Generally A, B, C, D, F, where it will comes? A, B, C, D, F are 6 alphabets. Generally where it is available? Hexadecimal code. Binary codes 0s, 1s. Decimals 0 to 9. Octadecimals 0 to 7. Hexadecimals 0 to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is represented with ABCDF. So these all are the hexadecimal color codes. Hexadecimal color codes. So hexadecimal means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, A, B, C, D, E, F. What are the color code you are typing here? These compulsory combination of these 16 digits. Your color code is compulsory combination of these 16 digits only. And now we'll see the example on this. So first H1 I'm going to writing here. Write a small message, hypertext. Markup language. The default color of this H1 is black and white. The default color of this H1 is black and white. You can also check it once. Data comes in black color and data background white color is available. Now, first of all, I want to change this data color, sir. Then apply the color. How? We have three models, either inline CSS, either internal CSS or external CSS. Follow any of the three models and change the color. If you are interested in inline, go ahead, no problem. Because practicing programs, sir, no problem. Anything we can follow. So inline CSS interested candidates, you can implement inline CSS. Internal CSS interested candidates, you can go for internal. External interested candidates, you can use external. No objections. Practicing examples. So take the style equals to color followed by the color name. Color name is yellow. Now my data is displaying with the yellow color. Directly spellings I'm writing, sir. But what about RGB, sir? One by one, I'll show everything. This is not displaying us, sir. We are applying the background. When you apply the background, then yellow is highlighting. So second property here, background hyphen color colon blue I'm going to writing here. Your H1 tag background color blue, your H1 tag data color yellow. You have one small point, sir. We are changing the background color to blue. But the whole screen changing the blue color, sir. No, not whole screen. H1 tag only. How much area your H1 tag is occupied? How much area your H1 tag is spreaded? That much of area. How many lines available H1 tag? One line. That single line is changing the color, not the whole page. So this is the blue and yellow color. Blue is the background, yellow is the foreground. Whole line changed or up to text only? Whole line. Why whole line changed, sir? Because of block level tag. Block level tag. Every block level tag occupies the full line. So then only full line changed. Even if you print a single letter also, see that one. I'm printing just H only, sir. But effect is this one. Single alphabet I'm printing, but color effect is the whole line, the full line. No, sir, I want to change the background color up to text length only, sir. Use the inline tags. If you use inline tag, how much length available text, that much of length only background color changing. See, I'll show that also. Can you say anybody inline tag examples? List of inline tags, we know so many. One or two names. Span, next. Sound not coming. Label, anchor tag, image tag, bold tag, superscript, subscript. Formatting 8 tags available. That 8 are the inline tags only. Anchors are image tag. Image also inline. Anchor is also inline. Recently used a label and span is also inline only. So you can use any of those, no problem. Okay, I'm going to using some label tags, sir. Suppose username, label close. So the default color of the label is also black and white only, nothing special. But now I want to apply the background color and foreground color for this. So once again, style followed by color white. Background also applying, amma. Background color is red. Background red, color is white. Now see the difference between the first tag and second tag. Here also background applied, but this much only. First tag background applied, the whole line. Block level to inline difference is that one. Block level tag, data 1 letter, 100 letters, I don't want. But applying the color, the full line. Inline tags, how many characters available? That number of characters only applying the color. Get a clear picture is available, that is. We can take, instead of username, try to take some lengthy word. Or second subject name I'm going to taking cascading style sheets. See now its color expanding because data lengthy data. Remove all these lines. Single letter. Background is also single letter only. The inline tags and that is the block level tag. Here we used the named colors. We got an idea how to write the named format. Next continuation. RGB concept I'm going to implementing here. So tag H1 or H2, anything is okay. Once again, style followed by something color we have to specify. And data, sir, data is JavaScript and H2 close. But it comes to here, background hyphen color colon RGB of 3 values required. First red value, next green value, next blue value. And every value range compulsory 0 to 255 only. So first value I am typing, sir. My birth date is 30. So 30 I am typing here. Your birth date. 20? 24. 1. 1. So 30, 24, 1. Red quantity 30. అంటే మన just easy understanding. Red 30 tablespoons. Next green 24 tablespoons. Next blue 1 tablespoon. Take into a bowl. Mix the powders for 3 minutes or 4 minutes. After that, we'll get a new shade. The new shade is displaying in the browser. Which color? Black, huh? No, it's not black. Huh? Pink, huh? Actually, it's look like as black, sir, but it's not a black. Reason, sir. A JavaScript letters visible to me. JavaScript letters are visible inside the box. If it is background black, black, no chance to see. But the letters are visible, sir. No, na. Yeah, that much of distance, how it is visible, yeah. Huh? Okay, I'm trying to apply the mag. There's something black, gray, no, some dark shade. Exactly, I don't know the shade. Now we are applying the color followed by madam's birth date. Year we are not asking, because if we ask the year also, they are not saying the common thing. Day 11, 18, 20. Oh, sorry. One small correction here, sir. Both, if you take the small values, sir, both the dark colors are comes. But here I'm taking 30, 24 now, almost you are taking the nearest value. But same type of confusion is comes. Almost both the dark shades are comes. You are saying not visible, sir. And one more time it happens. Then only what to do, sir, and years required, amma. Years required. 200. Next 150. Next 199. Okay. The lower values dark shade is comes, higher values light shade is comes, middle values medium shades. The blind indication, that one. The background dark available, so text light clearly visible. Otherwise, not visible. RGB missing. Wait. This is some pink shade, I think. Did you? One screen showing the pink, one screen is showing the lavender or purple. So projectors problem, color contrast problem. Actually, I think pink only. My system also showing the pink only, baby pink. This is the second way of the specification. Simple things are blindly type the 3 numbers. Blindly type it. Compulsory one shade is comes. 3 numbers with the comma separated. Type blindly 3 numbers and save it and run it. 100% will get one shade. Any number shade is comes. See that I'm changing some numbers. Instead of 200, I'm taking 100, sir. Shade changing. See that? Shade changed. Next, instead of 150, I'm taking 250, sir. Again, shade changing. See that? For every number changing, shade changes. One number changed, a color shade changing compulsory. So blindly, if you type the 3 numbers, sir, automatically will get one shade. Like that, how many shades it's producing, sir? And 16 million shades it's producing. How can say 16 million shades, sir? You know mathematics, I think. Chapter name, combinations and permutations, and one chapter available, right? But if first color combination 255, second color combinations 255, third color combinations 255. But total number of combinations, how many, amma? 255 cube. 255 cube and that is equivalent to 16 millions. That is the formula, nothing else. So every color 0 to 255. A 255 cube, if you apply it, what is the result is comes? That number of shades are forming. Simple mathematics formula, nothing else. Next, one more tag I'm going to taking here. So next message bootstrap. And tag name changing, sir. Span tag I'm taking here. Instead of using same tag, so couple of tags I'm using. With this knowledge, balance you can continue yourself. Span opens and span out. One block level tag, one inline tag. We can observe the combinations also. We'll go for reverse combination. Background to foreground, foreground to background will change. Previous combinations are just ulta I'm taking. Background change it to foreground, foreground changes to background. Now go and check it once. This is which color? Green adi. Previously green data color, light green. Now background green color. Previously background black type of shade. Now data that one. I don't want any black shades, sir. Try to change the number some 39 for the shade changing. Almost are the same equivalence to shades getting. I think blue and it's not black. Dark blue, sir. It's not black, dark blue. So how to write the RGB formation colors? I hope you got an idea here. If you don't know anything, sir, open RGB bracket, close the eyes, type 3 numbers, run the program. Risk no. Something color is comes, enjoy with that one. And the next one is hexadecimal colors. This time H3 tag I'm going to taking. So what is the data, sir? Data is angular. Okay, angular JS. And once again apply the colors. Style followed by some background hyphen color colon hash 6 digits. For every digit already one color constant ready-made available, sir. Here also you can type blindly one code. Actually we have to know the color codes, but 16 million color codes remembering generally not possible. So follow the blind operations. There is some technique available you said yesterday, sir. End of this program I'll explain the technique. So 60 1G 6 zeros 60 and man regular colors black white it will comes. So take something different. 11 22 33 very good. So 11 22 33 fancy number. Now check the background color. Not black, sir. That is called as royal blue. The royal blue. Now blue we have one shade royal blue. It's mostly used in your interior decorations. Royal blue is very famous color in interior decorations, furnitures, office decorations. Okay. Next color colon hash. This time we'll go for alphabets combination also. AB 78 EF. AB 78 EF. I don't know which color it will comes. Purple, brinjal color. maybe purple and gold, I think. So this is a hexadecimal combination specification. Hash after 6 digits. Again, hash after 6 digits. 6 digits is generally 0 to 15. And lastly, one more here. I'm going to using anchor tag. Label I used, span I used. So one more is the anchor tag. Anchor tag, some href equals to. We need a small message, sir. Contact us. It's not anchor tag example, color example. Don't forget. Sir, link not working, sir. You are designed the program. Link not working, sir. Because I am not given any address here. This one. So actual color, this one blue is comes, sir, and underline also generally. But that I am going to changing. 100% possible. So color followed by hash 99FF01. Which colors are? No idea. Mali blue వచ్చింది. So it's a green color. Anchor tag color, change it to green. Background also we are applying, then green highlighted. So background color, hash C2, C2, C2. Some light gray colors are, and foreground is green color. Anchor tag is this one. Can I click on this one, sir? Yes, you can click it, sir, but at program name not specified together. We are not moving to anywhere. Still in the same program only. When you click on this link, still in the same program. No reactions are coming. Reason, destination program address missing. So you're not moving to anywhere. If you click any number of times, you are staying in the same program only. So 3 formats I shown are here. 3 formats and 3 specials. Next one, small note point here. While applying of the attributes or properties, if you observe my typing sequence, sometimes first I typed color, next I typed the background. Sometimes I typed the first background, next I typed the color. The indication to you. Suppose if it is 6 times, so if I follow the same sequence only, what you are feeling? Generally. Oh, compulsory this order only we have to use because Shivkumar typed 6 times same style only. Commons are automatically innovative ideas are comes. So for stopping of that one, intentionally I changed the order. Color background, but here background color. So moral of the story is order of properties not important. Order of attributes also not important. You can type 100% in any order attributes and properties. Lastly, applying all attributes is important. System checking and identifying you applied all attributes are not. That only it's checking. Which order you are typing, it's not important. We can type in any order, sir, 100% it is acceptable. Next, the hexadecimal code, so how to get it, sir, automatically based on the color shades, sir. We have some shortcuts, sir. Recently, we worked with the HTML operators, remember? Instead of remembering, I explained some shortcut on the screen. Same screen, we have one more shortcut also. This is recent days what we used here. And now this is our color palette. We have already 200 and plus colors are already is there. More than 200 available. In that which shade you require, select the shade, code system typing automatically. Same like as HTML operator. If you select the color, code system typed. Really, yes, sir. Show it. We'll check it. See that. Suppose I need this orange color, sir. That's all. Uh, I need this dark magenta color, sir. Dark magenta. Next, I need this green color, sir. Dark green color. So which color you require, just click on that color, sir. Code system generated automatically. But almost we have 250 colors available almost here. I don't like these 250 colors, sir. Abbo. No problem. If you don't like all these 250 colors, you can prepare your own color shade. How it is possible, sir? Last, we have more option. Observed? Click on here, sir. Mana color mixi is going to opens, or color mixi opens. That you know very well. Next screen. So many times you work at this screen in Paintbrush, MS Word, PowerPoint, when you are changing the colors of your data. Windows operating system, almost in all softwares we have this screen. So same screen now also we are using. There are some colors available, sir. I need green shade, sir. Green color selected. You got indicator available. Brightness, darkness adjustment. Right? Your requested shade is produced. How can know, sir? It's the resultant shade. One rectangle box is there, na? This is final color. So check this box. When I'm changing a color changing, see that one. This shade is okay for me, sir. Then I have one button, add it to custom colors. In box adding. Okay. A color code is comes to here. Preparing your own color and getting of the code. Once again, click on color. Go to the more option. Which shade you want to prepare it, select the shade, sir. Anything is okay. And adjust the brightness and darkness of the color. This is okay for me, sir. Then add it to custom. Okay. You don't need to by heart it and no need to get the problem. Time waste not required. Just select the color, code is comes directly. Okay, next one. Sir, you are changing the so-and-so tag color. So lines wise, it is changing the colors. If I want to change the whole page color, what to do, sir? Then also possible. Apply the background color. To which tags are? Body tag. We have to apply the background color for body tag. Why body, sir? Our web page designing code is available inside the body tag. So body representing your page. So if you make any changes in the body tag, those reflects to your whole web page. That also I'm showing, see that finally. Go to the body tag, take the style equals to background color, colon, select from one of this list. And already color palette available, so choose one of from this list. I'm taking some light orange. Close this. Now whole web page color changed. Not one color, two color, one line or two lines. The whole web page is changed. But what about our already applied colors? This gone? No, this is available like that only. That also comes. That color common and these colors continues. No overlapping, no replacement. Okay, how to apply the colors, we got an idea. Moreover, CSS impact we got in this program. So last 1 week onwards, we are discussing HTML designing the content, CSS applying the styles. CSS used for the markup, I said, sir. We already applied the light markup. The light markup, heavy markup, and Light markup under this much only, heavy markup under this much it will comes. Without CSS, these effects 100% not possible, sir. We don't have any option in HTML to make these all the things. You must use the CSS. Next, continuation CSS. Some more properties we are going to learning. Some more properties. So what is the next property, sir? Borders. How to draw the borders? For all our HTML tags, we can draw the boxes, sir. The boxes are called as the borders generally. We have borders. మన డ్రెస్సెస్ మేడమ్స్ డ్రెస్సెస్ బోర్డర్ డ్రెస్సెస్ కదా శారీస్ బోర్డర్స్ అవైలబుల్ కదా అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ డైనింగ్ టేబుల్స్ అవైలబుల్ డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ బోర్డర్స్ అవైలబుల్ టీ పాయ్స్ అవైలబుల్ టీ పాయ్స్ బోర్డర్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. So borders we can apply for the our HTML tags also. Every tag applicable border. Why is our border? Special looks, nothing else. Every setting, if you are interested, apply it. If you are not interested, throw it. It's not mandatory to apply, sir. Any CSS concept is not mandatory to apply. It purely depends upon your visualization. So first visualize what is your expectation. As per the expectation, identify the one by one tag, one by one property and apply on this one. Is it required to apply, sir? Is it mandatory to apply, no, sir? No, 100% nothing. If you are interested, apply it. Otherwise, throw it. Simple. So the first property is border. New property, today's discussions. It's also one of the CSS properties, sir. What is the purpose of this property, sir? So this property used to draw a border. A border. What is means of border, sir? I'll write in the brackets. It draws a line. It draws a line around the tag. Around the tag. The border is nothing but drawing a line around the tag. How much area your tag is occupied, sir? Around this one box is going to drawing like this. On a cricket boundary line available, sir, like that one box is drawing. Cricket ground boundary line, how it is available, like that around your tag. One line or two lines or three lines. How much area your tag is occupied? For that much of area, one box is drawing like this. So for that, we are going to using this. So can we apply for any of the HTML tags, sir? Yes, sir. Every tag is applicable except the BR tag. Don't apply on the BR tag because BR tag is not visible. So visibility tags, anything available, apply it blindly, including images also. No problem. Images also borders required. This one. Next, how values for border. First one, how much thickness border you are expecting. Line thickness. Border is nothing but we are just drawing a line. Because see this. Oh. I'm just showing in paintbrush for your awareness. This is called as border. A box inside your content available, your data is available. A box inside your lines available, a paragraphs, a headings, a labels, or whatever it may be, that one. But the line thickness available here, the thickness we have to write. But this is one type of line, straight line. Which type of line also you have to specify. And what is the color of the line, sir? Black. So line thickness, line style, and line color. Total 3 values we have to specify. If I'm not specified any values, sir, default settings are activated. Automatically it activates the default settings. So first write the thickness of the line in pixels. 10 pixels, 5 pixels, 3 pixels, 20 pixels, like that. Space, style of the line. Straight line required, gaps line required, dots lines required. Variety lines available, sir. We have to write one of the model. And space, color of the line color. If I'm not specified the color, what happens, sir? Black color activated. By default, black color. The size of the lines are thickness. This is model of the line, and this is color of the line. Colors you can manage because just now we completed. And thickness and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But style, how to write it, sir? We have some specific words for that one. And a predefined models available. The predefined models you have to write. We don't know the models, sir. I'm trying to list out all the available lines models. With a little bit speedily, medium, slow. Try to catch it, right? After completion of my pronunciation, anybody you have to say that all the names. So total 8 models are count. We can draw or we are able to design 8 varieties of lines. What is this variety of lines, sir? We are not understanding points, sir. If you have any MS Word knowledge, in Power Paintbrush not available. In MS Word, we have the types of lines. This is one type of line, sir. Second line, it will comes like this. Third line, dot. And Rangoli time we are using chocolate dots. We are using that type of dots lines are comes. That is the meaning of models. Okay, now pronunciation, sir. Solid 8 models. I'm listing 8 models. I'll type it later, but first I'm listing. Solid, double, inset, outset, dotted, dashed, ridge, groove. 8 over. One more time. Solid, double, dashed, dotted, inset, outset, ridge, groove. Anybody? I think you said the movies names. Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, KGF, Kartikeya 2, Vikram. Lines names only you said, Sure, Doubt. 8 models, anybody single individual, anybody ready? Ready? Come on. 6, okay, maximum tried. Anybody 8? Yes, all completed. Very good. Now I'm typing here. See that we have total 8 types of styles. One is the solid, sir. Second model is the double. Third model is the dotted. The dots are forming. Next model is the dashed. Gaps forming. Next one is the inset. Next one is the outset. and another one is red G, and next one is the groove. These are the 8 models, and one more model is also available, but actually it's not drawing the line. Existing borders available, it's deleting that existing borders. What is that one, sir? None. And some tags the default border available. Up to now, we are not discussing that type of tag. Future tags, they have already border internally. That borders I want to delete it, sir. Or a borders I want to disable it, sir. That scenario we are saying none. I don't want any border. Some tags borders not available, sir. Some tags inbuilt border available. Inbuilt borders, some cases we want to delete it for effective designing. So for that we have to use the none option. 8 plus 1, 8 models for drawing of the lines and 1 model for the removing of the line. The thickness, colors are your interest. Next, one more property, border hyphen radius. Another property is border hyphen radius. So what is this border radius again, sir? Generally, borders comes with the sharp edges. 100% border is always comes with the sharp edge. Sharp edge in the sense, corners, sir. The corners I am talking. Oh, online exhibition. Boxes observe the edges, sharp edges or not? The edges he observes, sir, sharp edges. But our mobiles, how it will look like as rounded edges. Our screen monitors, rounded edges. Curves comes together here. I need this type of curved borders, sir. Then we are using radius concept. Normally borders comes like this sharp edge. See this one, but we need some special effect to curves. That curves concept is this radius. Radius curve, how it is matching, sir. Radius into mathematics concept, sir. But compass available, kada? Take the compass. With the 10 pixels or 20 pixels, hold this one and draw it. What will get? Curve or straight line? Curve only, that is this one. How much measurement you have to take it while drawing of the line with the compass? A line measurement we have to specify here. So this property used to draw, yes, curved or rounded edges. So already we have the border. This border we are converting into curved or rounded edges. Syntax very simple, sir. Border radius colon. Write your pixels. How many pixels? How much curve you require? That curve we have to measure in the form of pixels. Real mathematics say the centimeters we are using, sir. Otherwise, degrees we are using. Here, pixels we have to use. Some n pixels. Some n pixels. The n place you can write your own count. Minimum 1, no, maximum your interest. But 0 pixels, sir. 0 pixels cutting not possible, sir. Minimum 1 pixel required. This is one syntax. Second syntax also available here. We have the second syntax also here. Border radius followed by x pixels. The x-axis how much curve required. Y-axis how much curve required. Individually we can specify. But first one what, sir? First one common for all 4 corners. And the same measurement using all the 4 edges. Here x-axis separate measurement to y-axis separate measurement. I'll show in the paintbrush to see that. So this is one box, sir. Now I'm going to using some cutting here. With how many pixels, sir? N pixels. But n pixels, which corner it is applying, sir? This is n pixels, this is n pixels, this is n pixels, this is also n pixels. The same measurement for all four corners. Second syntax, sir. This is box. Take the diagonals. Take the diagonals. This is one diagonal, right? And next one, this is the another diagonal. So red is the x pixels and green is the y pixels. Why red only x pixels, are? The generally first which measurement is comes, x or y? X. So first line first x, second line second measurement. So it is x pixels, these two corners, x, and these two corners are the y and y. This is y pixels. So different also we can apply it. Now we'll see on this one. So up to body, no special, sir. I just copy pasted the code. So body inside we are going to change it. I'm taking one h1 tag here. For h1 tag, I'm going to applying the border. And next example paragraph, I'll show it. Next example images, I'll show it. So style inside border. First we are applying the border. Colon. Border thickness, 3 pixels. Okay, very thin line is comes, not thick, thin line comes. What is the style of the border, sir? Solid. Color I'm not specifying. By default it takes the black color. By default it takes black color. Check it now. But where it is drawing the border, sir? But how much area your h1 tag is occupied? This whole area it is drawing the box, full box. How much area your tag is occupied? How much area your tag spreaded? That much of area it is going to applying. That is box. Border, nothing but an box. Sharp edges or rounded edges? Sharp. That sharpness, if you want to cut it, then go for second property. But the straight line, observed, that is called as solid. Thickness 3 pixels. Next, I'm drawing one more line, sir. This time paragraph I'm taking. A small paragraph. Something data. So don't copy this whole data. Just use the dots, running students. Apply the style here. Once again, border. So thickness of the border 10 pixels. So the thick line is comes. Border style dotted. Color red. I need 10 pixels thickness line, dotted line, and red color. So go and check it once, you will get an idea. That is output. Dotted line, thickness 10 pixels. Big dots coming, sir, and every dot to radius, diameter 10 pixels. Diameter of the dot is 10 pixels. If you take the solid line, normal it will comes. I'll show all. First line to second line, the thickness increased because of measurement is the effect. Solid, dotted, next dashed, hyphen, it will comes. Next double, Next one is double. 2 lines comes there. 4 lines not available, amma. 2 lines available. 4 lines ending. Get one sketch pen. We'll draw on the screen. Next one, inset. The next one is huh? Sorry. Insetter. With a different shape, different pattern. Border available. Reverse canals streaming a slope cutting available. A cutting available inside the line observed. Inset, internally slope cutting available. The small canal is passing, sir. Walls is a straight available, a slanting available. Slanting is a slope available like this. So that also internally cutting available. That is called as inset. Outside and cutting comes outside like this. This is outside and this is inside. Really available, sir, you are explaining, but we are not identifying, sir. This is not visible. That is visible. See that. A top corner, observe that one. Fitness for a and 2 English words available. Kada, paragraph. A top of the words, observe that one. Internal cutting available. This projector not displaying. Variety available. Previously, this projector color not displaying. This one displayed. This border not displaying and this one is displaying. There may be cables problem, I think. So this screen, I think clearly visible. See that one. And you can observe na upside dark red available, downside medium red available. Color shade also difference available. Red color, but dark medium shade is also difference. Now same thing outside. Reversely it will comes the line. Again I adjust here. I said na this type of cutting is comes in that one. But what about the last two, sir? Last two 3D borders. These all are the 2D. Now the last two is the 3D borders. Ridgy, 3-dimensional borders are comes. You go like this, my table strip. It's strip if you observe, you get a border. Top view visible, left view available, right view. 3 views are available. Color missing. 3D border. Clearly observe that one. You have the border like this. You get a top view available, this view available, this view also available. 3-dimensional border. Here clearly visible. This is ridgy, sir. And same way groove. That is also 3-dimensional border. But ridgy outside it will comes border, groove inside it will comes. Ridge example, your pillow. Head pillow is there. Na? Before putting the head, pillow shape is there. Na? That is ridgy. After putting the head, what is the shape of pillow? That is called as the groove. Cutting internally it will goes. So these are the 8 varieties of models supported by the CSS generally. Now I'm going to applying for the image. Compared to paragraphs, headings, image is more attractive, sir. The more funny also. How, sir? Olden days photos available, grandparents, 4 grandparents photos. If any they gone, sir. A photos hollow somewhere we are placing. Olden days photo style different. Photo printing. A photo one border is comes variety. Same thing if you apply the border for imaging. Image place photo, still a strip is comes, border strip. So take one of our old images, sir. Images slash animation picture I'm taking here. GIF. This is actual image, what we already worked in previous sessions. So now see that it's only photo. We don't have any borders or strips or something like. Now I'm going to applying the border. Yesterday notes not uploaded in Google Drive. Uploaded or not? I think I uploaded together. Mari why these all are yesterday's notes upload, yesterday's notes upload Sampathanar. Babu, who are asking the yesterday's notes, so yesterday's notes online students? I already uploaded in the Google Classroom link, sir. Please check the notes. Before that, open the eyes properly. Huh? Open eyes properly and check it carefully. Border colon 15 pixels. The fatty line is comes, sir. Which type of borders, sir? Inside border. Inside border color blue I'm taking here. So the different color will take. I may see black color is available, sir. So I'm going to taking some magenta. So for your image, we'll get the border like this. Photo with frame, total photo frame. This is the borders applying concept. So already applied the border for 3 tags. H1 tag applied, P paragraph tag applied, and image tag. With this knowledge, balance tags you can try to apply. 3 tags I shown with the balance you can try. Yeah, copy paste sir. Tag name changing, copy paste. Tag name changing, copy paste. Next, we'll focus on radius, border radius. But if I want to apply the border radius, first of all, I need border or not required? Required. Without border, border radius not possible. Kada? We have this one going to the saloon shop, buy I need that style, buy I need this style and stuff. Without having this one going to the selling shop, buy I need Allu Arjun style and how it is possible? Correct? So something available, that one cutting, curving, rounding, we can do anything. Nothing is available, we can't do anything. So first draw the border, then apply the border radius. Otherwise, sir, I don't want any border, sir, but I need border radius, sir. Any possibility is there? Yes, 100% possible, sir. But మన specs లో 2 types of specs available. Framed specs available, frameless also available, right? But framed specs and frame border that we are curving, box shape or rectangular variety models are available here, right? Some of the specs frameless. A glass also cutting is comes or not? Now we can cut the glass also. So like that in our HTML also, border we can cut it. Otherwise, a background color available. Na? Previous example, first example of today's. A background color we can cut it. I'll show the previous example. See that a background color box available. If box edges we can cut it. Box edge cutting in the sense glass you are cutting. Even your specs glass cutting. Border cutting in the sense of specs frame available, the frame we are cutting. So you want to apply the radius, border radius, you should have the border or you should have the background color. Without background color, without border, if you apply the radius, sir, it's not visible to your eyes. Really, yes, sir. I'll show it, see that. I'm taking one paragraph. A small paragraph. Style equals to border radius 10 pixels. My paragraph of 4 edges, it is cutting the 10 pixels radius, it is cutting. A last paragraph of radius applied, sir, check it. Visibility problem available. I'll move up. Wait for just a minute. Visible a border radius available. You go. See that, observe, follow my mouse pointer. Here is the radius 10 pixels available, right? The second edge, this is the curve. This is the curve, 10 pixels. Next, here is the curve. Curve. Here is the curve. Available, amma. Not visible. Already a graphical specs available. Observe now. 3D specs and I think those. So that is border 100% applied. 100% applied border, but not visible. Reasons are your screen background color white. Your paragraph color is also white. But white, if you cut it, difference unable to observe. And if you print like this, sir, two colors, hand color different, this hand color different, visibility is comes. But if I put like this both, when you're seeing long distance, it look like as a single hand only. But here cutting is there, see that one. Available on my hand cutting. Now observe. So color problem, that one. That is my suggestion. You should apply the background color or at least border. So apply the background color first. Background hyphen color. Any color is okay, sir. I'm taking some cyan color. Sea blue, no, sky blue, no, something you are calling. Now it is visible very clearly. See that one. A box's edges, observe that one. Last, today's first example to this box. And I think very light displaying, but this screen clearly visible. Okay, sir, I'll change the color. Wait. Magenta, na? Okay. Magenta color, antaya, sir. Magenta color. I can't do anything. So edges are available. See that one. E corner clearly cutting is available. But I'm using very less amounts at 10 pixels. So maybe lightly displaying. We can increase the more 20 pixels. Observe. The clear cutting is available. So the background color cutting. Now border cutting I'm going to show you. Border cutting I'm going to showing for images. Okay. For your awareness paragraphs, I'll show it. Images also I'm showing. One more thing will take the paragraph. H1 tag possible, sir. Any tag possible. You can use any tag. That's not a problem. This is H1 tag. This time I'm applying the border. No background color, border. Write your border thickness 10 pixels, solid line, and red color or green color. Anything is okay. So first it is drawing the border, sir. Then border is going to cutting to 20 pixels for H1 tag. Observe the border. See the go to top of the same screen. I got a border. See that one. Sharp edge. And here this border, sir. Rounded edge. So two combinations I covered, radius with the background colors and radius with borders. Sir, you are explaining all these things, okay, but really using in our original applications, sir. Why not, sir? 90% of applications they are using these borders or border radiuses. Colors either 100% or 90%. 100% of websites colors compulsory. Radiuses, radius curves, 90% of websites we have. But we are never observed, sir. And previously we are not discussed this topic, sir. Today we discussed. Today evening onwards, when you are opening the website, you will get some sparks in the brain. This is border radius. This is border running. Automatically sparks are comes in the brain. If you go for any website, 90% these concepts are available. Show once, sir. You can go for your favorite website, Facebook. Available a radius. A white color box cutting is available. See that. Same I use it for my paragraph. How I am cutting the pink box, they are cutting here red box. A green box, blue box also observe. What is this blue color line, sir? Border. Balance 3 items border radiuses. You see, all are available in the same program. Facebook login example. Facebook is not an ordinary website. It's not an ordinary website. It's not a Dabba website, right? World's one of the biggest company, biggest website. They are using, we are discussing. So that much of big website are using these options and thing, automatically all websites they are going to using. Now we'll take the images. We'll get the more fun also for images. So SRC followed by images slash. Take one of the picture. Nature. Okay. Nature, creature. Nature dot JPG. Actually, it's a very big image, sir. So better control the measurements. 400 pixels width, 300 pixels height. Small picture I'm taking. So once check the image. This is our actual picture. But image edges observe, sir, sharp edges. Now I'm going to applying the directly radius. Now I have to apply any background color for image. No, because image they have already color. So when you are cutting the photo, sir, cutting clearly visible. So like as the paragraphs, this one separate settings not required, directly apply on the image. So what is the property, sir? Style equals to border radius colon 30 pixels I'm taking here. Border radius equals to 30 pixels. Observe the photo carefully. We have the cutting. Clear cutting available. Visible also. So paragraph I applied. Headings I applied. Images I applied. With this knowledge, other tags, try to apply yourself. Next. But images, we can design something different shapes, sir, by using this borders concept that I'm showing here. Paragraphs also we can apply, headings also we can apply, but compared to paragraphs, headings, images more effective. This is what I'm going to explaining the option. Double lines border available, two different. This I'm not explained. Now I'm going to covering this one. Border radius 50 pixels, x-axis, and another radius 90 pixels. X-axis 50 pixels diagonally, y-axis diagonally 90 pixels. So image shape could be differently comes. Observe that one, sir. Edges cutting we have very clear clarity. X-axis light available, y-axis more available. Cutting visible together. You can take more pixels, 70 pixels or 140 pixels, sir, or 130 pixels. On a leaf shape piece comes on. When you are increasing, the image is going to reducing like this. But why this much of more cutting is comes sir into 130 pixels? Why here we have the less cutting sir into 70 pixels is the reason. With two measurements. Same thing we can apply for paragraph, but not more effective. Images more effective. Clear visibility comes. Next, One more option I'm going to applying here. This time image I'm trying to change. Our image I'm taking. This is not, I want to change some settings. Initial look is that one. Same in nature, this animal both look like a same because same settings only. I want to introduce one special option here. You can write percentage also. 50 percentage, 30 percentage, 40 percentage. Percentages also we can write. How it will takes the percentage, sir? Your image width available 400 pixels. In 400 pixels, 50%. The 200 pixels curve is comes here. The curve is comes the 200 pixels. So and height how much is 300. 350 pixels in the sense 150 pixels. Vertical curve 150 pixels. Horizontal curve is 250 pixels. What happens finally, sir? When a oval shapes are comes, sir. Anda shapes are forming. Ovalo, ellipso, eclipso, something, something. Why oval shape is comes, sir? And your image is rectangle shape. Rectangle. In this process, cutting obviously comes in the oval shape only. If your image is a square shape, sir, circle comes. Suggest the same image to 400 and 400. So my image is size of 400 by 400. In that radius is the 50-50. The 200 x-axis to 200 y-axis. Equal cutting is going on. So circle forming. But actually circle, sir. Circle that one. But these type of images are you seen anywhere in our websites? Circle shape images. Wikipedia. Next. Your WhatsApp profile picture, your Facebook profile picture, or cricket players of profiles photos available. If you go for IPL.com, BCCI.com, ICCI.com, players profile available. When you click on one player name, sir, player photo circle and all the name information. Your WhatsApp or Facebook also we have these things. Not only these, if you go for Book My Show, online movie ticket available. Book My Show. If I click on movie name, sir, a movie 2 lines story, bottom of the story, actors photos, cast and review, both is available. Agada hero heroine photos available. Which shape? Circle shapes. My Book My Show showing like that only, sir. మా ఊర్లో బుక్ మై షో అంతే చూపిస్తుంది. In my hometown, Book My Show displaying the heroes, heroines photos in the circular shape only. ఏ ఊరా? ఆ ఊరే. And a lot of websites we have these type of things. Especially most of the websites me profile pics available kada, mostly circles available 90%. So border and border radius. Border we applied, sir, border radius applied. Text data I applied and image data also applied. So with this knowledge, how many tags you know balance, you can try to apply in all the tags. The spans are labels are whatever it may be. Every tag showing not possible, sir. Some couple of tags I am explaining. With this knowledge, try to apply the other tags yourself. Lastly, I have small doubts, sir. But border radius, can I apply at a time or not? Border plus border radius, both at a time applying possible or not? 100% possible, sir. You can use any number of settings at a time. Color, background color, border radius, 4 also you can apply at a time. Nobody is objecting. If anybody objected us, sir, ask the Narendra Modi, our PM, na. 100%. Your expected output that only, I think you can go ahead like that only. Simple thing. And a small note points are here, not programming concept, general information. కొద్దిగా watch this picture, sir, because daily somebody they're dropping the messages in the chat box or somebody either directly in Google Classroom link only, sir. I clearly said videos are not shareable. Videos not posting in the Google Classroom link. Google Classroom link is posted only my theory parts, my examples, your question and answers only. And the videos, no. If you need the videos, you have to contact your admin only, not me. And the first 9 days videos you placed, sir. That also I already informed a couple of times in the session. Demo sessions videos we are sharing, demo sessions videos we are sharing. After that videos are not shareable. If anybody you require the videos, you please contact the admin only. Please don't ask me. So watch this one, everybody. Huh? Thank you all. Balance we'll see on the next session. Hmm. 31 పేజీలో ఉంటది కదా, మీరు చూసారా ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసారా? దాంట్లో ఉన్నాయి కదా మనకి పాయింట్స్ అన్ని.